and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today guys, unfortunately I am experiencing power shortage, so you're not going to see my face because I'm actually trying to improvise some light for better visuals, but that is not going to stop us from our today's recipe. We shall be preparing pan fried mutton. This is mbuzi. And so first things first, let me introduce my ingredients. I have the mbuzi over here. Then here is a paste of ginger and garlic. Then I'll be using 1 beef cube, turmeric. Then we have soy sauce over here. Then this is capsicum, hoho. Then some onions. And right away guys, let's get started. And so guys, using my pressure cooker, I am going to add in my meat. Let me this. Then followed in by a paste of ginger and garlic, like so. Then we are going to add in salt. Then we are going to add some little turmeric to just give it a nice color. And finally I am going to add in my water and let this boil for around 30 minutes because we want our meat to be as tender as it can. So just give this a nice mix. And there goes our meat. So I'm going to drain this water and head to the next step. And so on to our next step. In your pan, add in your cooking oil. We want to shallow fry our meat. Then I am going to add in some cummin seeds just to give it a nice flavor. Then next in come in with my be careful guys, Wow, I love this guys. And now let's add in 1 beef cube. I'll go for this anytime and be satisfied with it. Wow. So remember we are using soy sauce just to give us some nice look. This is really good, like really good. Good. And finally we are going to add in some hoho to wrap this up. Wow, I got nothing to say. I have loved this. Check it out, ribs. Look at these guys. What? And I'm so proud of myself. And finally, as simple as that, we're done. Well guys, and finally, y'all, have you seen that? Have you seen that pan fried mutton? Umeona hiyo mbuzi? Yeah, I'm in love with it. This thing is good. This thing is nice. This thing is sweet. Guys, I mean, I'm here for you guys, you know, so let's go try this recipe, eh? And it is tender. Follow each and every step. You will love this for your friends, family. Nimependa. Anyway guys, till next time, thank you so much for your continued support. Till next time, from me to you guys, Bye bye.